Hello, today we are going to discuss about high level designing for Instagram. So till now we had discussed about capacity estimation and design consideration and other things. Today let's put a thought to high level designing. It's not a final design. So what will happen as you go through the interview, you have to put some boxes once you have done the capacity estimation. Then what will happen, you take a direction or you try to explain more on certain components and all those things. Then you improvise this HLD. It's not asked from you that you will provide a perfect solution in one go, only all the boxes placed in a right direction and everything is placed and nothing is wrong in this, and that's not the expectation. That means that you have marked up the design solution and you have just put it here. It's like you start with the basic design, and then what will happen is that you keep improvising given that you find out some issues in the your existing design, and then you keep improvising with your existing knowledge. So system designing interviews are about expressing your knowledge, your in-depth knowledge, whatever you have gained. So let's try to find out the high level design, the basic one first to start with, then we'll keep improvising this in the upcoming lectures. So you will be having clients who will upload or download whatever they want to do with the photos. You will be having one server which will process these uploads and downloads thing, and then you will have one image storage. This can be one object storage, because storing all those data, objects, large images and all those things in other than in object storage, it will be waste of storage, because other databases are also meant for the transactions and also meant for doing some calculations and all those things. But here you just want to store an object and you just want to get it later with the key. So what will happen, you will get some S3 or something where you will store all the images and then you fetch them. So these clients will upload and then they will download also or view. So what happens, as Instagram is getting accessed through all the world and anyone can view all the images and all those things, and they needs to be pretty fast. At as we had discussed, it should be less than 200 millisecond. So what we can do is we can use a CDN. CDN is a content delivery network. In this what happens is, as soon as you seed your data to S3, then you have CDN networks attached to it. What they will do is they will seed that particular image to all the nodes. Those are called edge nodes. So what will happen, they are geographically located across the globe. So wherever you are accessing them, suppose from here you are accessing, then nearest edge node will serve data to you. Even you can put a caching layer as well on top of every CDN node whenever you are accessing. So here also, so whosoever, suppose if you are here, so nearest location edge node will serve the image to you. It takes some time that all these images get synced to all these edge nodes, but eventually they get synchronized to all these edge nodes and those are getting served. So now we can see that you need one image server which will be doing upload and download. You need one metadata server as well. What metadata server will do is it will store all the metadata things. So your image will be stored in object storage, but the key using which it will be accessed and a whole lot of other things like latitude, longitude, when it was uploaded, against which user it was uploaded, how much is the size, and all those things will be stored in the metadata. This can be any MySQL or SQL based databases, because you might need some sort of ACID properties on top of that whenever you are uploading and all those things, because sometimes you need these for querying some data, range based queries and all those things, to fetch all the images for last 1 month or something. So this will be best suited for a SQL database will be best suited for this thing.